Hey Snackers, it's laced with Snackadelica, and I have a new flavor of Pringles, I think. I haven't seen them before, so I had to try them. Chili cheese fries. It sounds so good. I love a good chili cheese fries. So let's just get into it. Like, not much to say. I'm hoping that there's like a slight spice, like the chili flavor and a good cheese flavor on these. Pringles is usually pretty good about their flavors. And I don't know, oh man, that smells really good. I don't know if these are actually new, but they're new to me, so we're gonna try them. Okay, hang on. These are different. I don't know. So the first flavor that I got really threw me off. It was, the only way I can think of to describe it is like canned meat or like Spam. Like, I don't know how to describe it other than, you know how meat when it's canned like has a flavor? That was the first flavor I got, and I was like, I mean, I'm getting a cheese flavor. There is a little spicy on there. Think of like the cheapest canned chili you can find. Like the absolute cheapest canned chili you can find. Like, I don't hate these, but I also don't feel like they taste like what they're supposed to. I mean, this is a thing. I wouldn't rush out and get these. This is actually this is actually probably one of my least favorite Pringles flavors that I've had recently. They normally do really well. This one's not for me. I don't really care for this one. It's not. It's got a weird flavor. Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried these? Am I way off? Are they good? Maybe it's just me, but I love a good chili cheese fry, and this didn't hit the mark for me. So there's that. But overall, I mean, they're edible. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I will see you guys at the next snack time.